In this example, we are going to write a single trigonometric functions. For part A, we have sine of 3x multiplied by cosine of 2x plus cosine of 3x times the sine of 2x. It looks like we have the term of sine A multiplied by cosine B plus the cosine A times sine B. And this is the same as the formula to find the sine of the sum or sine of A plus B. I'm going to put a note here as sine of the sum or sine A plus B equals sine A times cosine B plus cosine A times sine B. We started with the right-hand side expression that is the same or equivalent to the expression on the left-hand side of the equation. Therefore, this problem, we can rewrite it as a single trig function as sine of 3x plus 2x or sine of 5x. For this example, we're going to write as a single trigonometric function. We have the pattern of cosine 8x times cosine x plus sine of 8x times sine x, or in the form of cosine A times cosine B plus the sine A times sine B, where A is 8x and B is 1x. With the pattern of the cosine cosine plus sine sine is the same as the expression on the right side of the cosine of the difference or the cosine A minus B. Cosine A minus B is cosine A times cosine B plus sine A times sine B, which is the same as the expression that we are working on. And then since we have the same expression on the right side of the identity, so we're gonna rewrite it as the expression on the left side of the identity, which is the cosine of the difference. Since the A is 8x, so going to be cosine of 8x, and then B is 1x, so 8x minus 1x, and simplify to be cosine 7x as a single trig function for this example.